I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oyster mushroom mycelium. First, understand that mycelium is the root-like structure of a fungus, vital for producing mushrooms. To begin, gather your materials, ensuring everything is clean. Sterilization is paramount, so a pressure cooker will be your best friend for preparing your substrate and tools. This careful preparation sets the stage for healthy, vigorous mycelial growth. Next, let's prepare your substrate. Grains such as rye or millet are ideal, providing rich nutrients for your mycelium. Hydrate your chosen grain to achieve a moisture content between 50% and 55%. This is crucial for proper colonization. Then, load your hydrated grain into jars and sterilize them in a pressure cooker for 90 minutes at 15 psi. This step eliminates contaminants, ensuring a clean slate for your culture. Now comes the exciting part, inoculation. In a sterile environment like a still air box or a laminar flow hood, carefully transfer a small piece of your oyster mushroom culture into the sterilized grain jars. Work quickly and precisely to minimize contamination risks. Once inoculated, place your jars in a dark area with a consistent temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for incubation. Over the next 10 to 14 days, you'll observe your mycelium colonizing the grain. It should appear as a thick, white, cotton-like network spreading throughout the jar. This indicates healthy growth and readiness for the next stage of mushroom cultivation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy watching your mycelium thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.